is Saturday, July the 17th, and it is about 5:30 in the evening. Yeah, so yes, I'm coming to y'all at the park. A lot of you guys said that y'all like the park walk, so I'm opening up the video at the park. Well, I'm trying to think, what have I done already? So this is outfit of the day, y'all. OOTD. Got my bag here. Got my, y'all remember this, thrifted. And I got my, what you got to say? I got those on, but I do have my leopard mules that I got from the somebody got the music. So I do have, along with this outfit, that's why I had the sweater on, because it matches my my leopard print mules, if you guys remember me hauling those from the bins. So yeah, so I'm trying to think, what else is going on today? I did go to Home Depot earlier. Well, I did have to work today, and that's like really different. I normally do not work on the weekends. I might do like a ride share or something here and there, but I normally won't do it. Funds is kind of, you gotta do what you gotta do, you know what I'm saying? And I'm just being honest. But not tight like that, but you know, just gotta make sure you got control of everything. So I probably will just, this video is gonna be a vlog, because I'm probably gonna just little clips here and there, but I'm not alone, y'all. Now look, there is somebody, can y'all see? He's right there walking, and I'm trying to stay behind him as much as possible so I'll feel safe, because I know some of you say, you know, Sonia, just be careful. So I'm just turning this camera around a little bit, showing you guys. Let me come up over here. I can show y'all some water real quick. Some of y'all really like these videos, and I'm gonna give them to you. There's the water running. We've had so much rain. Let me get out of this mud. We've had so much rain, y'all. It is like, I think some other people in the comments say they got a lot of rain, but yeah, it's been pouring down, y'all, like cats and dogs. Ain't that funny? What if it was really pouring cats and dogs? We really would have something to complain about, right? We'll have something to talk about, right? Can you imagine a big old cat or a dog? Depending on the size of the dogs, they got small, medium, large. They got, even with cats, small, medium, large babies. Imagine them falling on your head. It's rain. Oh my goodness. But yeah, guys, I don't know what else this video is gonna entail. Like I said, different clips till we get to like probably a couple days, and take it from there. So yeah, guys, I'll see you all in a little while. I'm trying to think of something. I am gonna get around to, I did answer most of you guys' comments and things like that. Some of y'all had some good suggestions. Let me say this. Me addressing an email is only me addressing an email. Trust and believe me, guys. Sonia don't care what nobody has to say about my channel, about me, myself, about anything, my family, anything. I don't care what other people think. It is what he thinks about me is what matters. Okay, so I just want to leave y'all with that, but I'll see you guys in a little while. Y'all, look what the lightning struck down. Ooh, Lord, look at that. Don't be playing with him. Don't play with him. All right, guys, here's the shoe cam. So these are the shoes, y'all remember, that I hauled from the bins, and the outfit, I think I was trying to tell y'all, was from the bins. But guys, now when I'm trying to leave the park, now the sun wants to come out. Like, are you kidding me? Now the sun wants to come out. But it was gloomy when I was walking, but it's still a beautiful day. But anyway, oh, let me show y'all. This is the paint that I picked up from Home Depot. I don't know if it's too sunny for y'all to see that, but I picked this up from Home Depot, and this is the gloss white. If you can see that right there. Y'all, this little thing used to cost me, this is actually 8 ounces, y'all. This used to cost me $3.48. This is $5.98 now. Like, they have raised up all their prices. But the reason for this paint is I noticed when the guy did the what do you call it? when he raised those, when he did the rods and stuff in the family, in the some of y'all call it, I call it living room. Some people call it great room. But when he did put the hung the things up high in there, I noticed that the framing, yeah, I was gonna say window sills, but it's the framing, the wood framing around the windows need to be brightened. So that's what I got this for. And yeah, so I just wanted to show you guys. That's what I picked up from Home Depot. But I'm gonna get ready to go. I might stop and go get me some popcorn at the store. I'm not sure. Then I'm gonna go home. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. So I'll see you guys there. Guys, I'm finally back home. So I'm gonna give y'all a little bit of scenery back here. Not my scenery, but somebody else's. So on my way home from I said I was gonna stop and get popcorn. Guys, they didn't have any popcorn, so I didn't get anything. I am gonna probably be throwing me on a pot of greens because there's nothing else for me to even think about eating. I do need to go to the grocery store, but you guys know how I do it. Go visit me on the other channel, Simply Black Vegan. I gotta get all the way low before I go get some groceries. So, y'all already know in this house, I only own probably those 2 coffee mugs that you seen. So I've been looking for glasses. Y'all, I stopped at the Goodwill, okay, because it's like right next door to the grocery store. So I found these beautiful glasses, guys. They were only 54 cents. If you can see, they were $1.09 and blue was half off. I got 4 of these bad boys. Look how beautiful. Y'all see that? Look how pretty that is. Look at the detail on that. So I got 4 because I want to do a lot of things in 4s, you know. Yeah. So I'm probably going to get rid of the 2 mugs. I'll probably gift those to one of my sons because they're more like manly things. I was using them for like coffee to show how you can, when you pour your coffee, then you pour the creamer for aesthetics. You know what I'm saying? Ain't nobody got time for that, okay? Get that stuff out of here, okay? Don't make no excuses. Get it out, okay? So yeah, I got 4 of these beautiful glasses for $2.29. You can't beat that. Y'all, they're so pretty. I can't wait to wash them. I'm gonna wash them up really, really good and make them look really fabulous. So all 4 of these beauties, all 4 for $2. So guys, the other day, well, was it yesterday? Whatever day it was, when I went to the bins, I showed you guys a clip of what was coming up. I'm just gonna show you real quick what I got. I only got 3 things. I'm so happy for myself. Even if they didn't have stuff that I really like, even if they did have things that I really, really liked, just look at it, you can touch it, feel it, you ain't gotta bring it home. But you guys already know, basically, the house is finished. I would love to have another chair that's like over there. I would love to have one of those or something similar to it. But if not, I'm not gonna worry about it. And that's because I want to either put it in here or I will put it in the living room underneath the big round mirror in there. So guys, I picked up this mirror. This is the Project 62 mirror. I'm like mirror. The Project 62 pillow that I've been searching for to match the one in the front room on the sofa. So I am going to take out the all black pillow that I made that I got the cotton fabric from Walmart. I'm going to take that out of there and I want to bring it in here and put it in the center of the 2 pillows behind you that match. Okay, so got my pillow. I'm so happy for that. I also picked up this Method laundry booster and it's called the Sleep Sommeil for clean, soft sheets and linens. This smells so good. I already used it, y'all, when I washed some stuff. So I picked up that. And they have upped some of their stuff. So this was $5. Usually it would have been $2 or $1. So I had to pay $5. But you guys remember in another haul, go back and watch some other bin hauls. And then you will see what's going on. Because I got the Method. Remember that big thing of aqua looking Method? It's like a coral color. like the color of this water. It's like that color method, 60 loads. So it is like in a bottle that's shaped like this. So now I have symmetry. I have the same thing to it. And then last but not least, I picked up these Shade and Shore sandals, and these are Target brand, and they are a size 8, and they really retail for $14.99, and that's what they look like. It's like a leather material here. They're kind of like my beige sandals that I always like to wear, but they're like that. I can show you guys what they look like on. They're so cute. So cute, so cute, so cute. Now I can wear them because I could have worn them today, but this is what they look like, if you guys can see. They're super cute. So yeah, guys, that's everything. If you like what you've seen today on this video, please consider subscribing to the channel, share the channel, and we'll see you in the next video. I love you guys, and remember, love yourself so that you'll be able to love others, so this world will be a much better place. Okay, y'all want to get a good look at these glasses here? Look at these beauties. Look at these beauties. Uh-oh, we ain't trying to break them now. Look at these beauties. Ooh, girl. And there's our little things right here, y'all. So guys, that is going to be all. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Love you all. Don't forget, subscribe, like, share, and come back for more. Bye.